Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I figured I'd come on here and do a quick at-home workout. With everything going around in our country and other countries, I figured it'd be the best thing to do is just stay home and not go to the gym. I found this workout on Google, so I'm just gonna go ahead and post the workout down below in the description box. If you guys want to screenshot it, you guys can do it with me or you guys can do it on your own time. But anyways, without further ado, let's jump into this quick, easy workout. So for these workouts, you don't really need any equipment, but if you do have some sort of weights or resistance bands, you could totally use those just to kind of up your work. We're gonna go ahead and start with glute bridges. So you wanna go ahead and get on the floor. And then prior to this, I already stretched. So just make sure you do some stretching before starting this workout. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my resistance bands. I will post the link down below where I got these from. I did get these from Amazon. So we are going to do 2 sets of 12. So 1, 2, 3, and then make sure you are squeezing your glutes. 6, 7, 8, come on, we can do it. 9, 10, 11, 12. So the resistance bands is totally making this a little bit more difficult. If you have one of these, I highly suggest it. You can also grab some weights and add some weight to it. So we have one more set of 12. I'm just gonna go ahead and put these right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold it up top. 6, 7, okay, it's burning. 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. Now we're just gonna move on to normal squats. So we are gonna do 2 sets of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, halfway there. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, 2 more. 11, 12. If you're not sure if you're doing a squat right, or something that can help you is you put a chair and you just pretend like you're gonna sit. So we're gonna do another set of 12. So 1, 2, 3. You see how my butt is lightly tapping the chair. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm already out of breath. 9, 10, 11, and 12. So now we're gonna move on to sumo squats. So sumo squats, it's basically the same thing. You're squatting, but your legs are facing outwards. I believe these are better for the glutes. They target the glutes instead of the quads. So we're gonna go ahead and do 2 sets of 12. I'm totally out of breath. We're gonna go ahead and jump right on it. So 2 sets of 12. 1, 2, as you can see, the legs are wider. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We don't want our knees going over our foot. 8, 9, I'm about to lose count. 10, 11, and 12. We just finished 1 set, 1 more set. Again, if you have weights, go ahead and add weights. If you don't have any, you can get some cans, a jug of water, or anything, or do it without. So 1 more set of 12. Whew, I'm out of breath. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, halfway there, 6 more. So now we're gonna do squat jumps. I'm gonna go ahead and wear my resistance bands again. You don't need these, and these are good, but they are kind of hard. I don't know, they get me really tired. So we're gonna squat. It's gonna be a normal squat, and then we're gonna jump. So I'll do it this way so you guys can see me. So we're gonna do a normal squat, and then when you're coming up, you're gonna jump. Come back to the squat like this. We are gonna do 2 sets of 12. And so we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So, are you guys ready? We're almost done. And then after this, you guys can go ahead and do it 2 or 3 more times to get your full workout in for the day. So we're gonna go ahead and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, halfway there, 7, 8, come on Coco, you can do it, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we are done with one set. We're gonna go ahead and do the other set. If you guys need to take a drink, go ahead and pause this and take a drink, or just keep going. I am out of breath, guys. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can do it. Come on. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. I'm dying, guys. I don't know about you guys, but these get me so tired. Okay, so next we are gonna do side lunges. We're gonna do 2 sets of 12. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. As you can see, I added a 5-pound. So again, if you have weights, you can totally add weight, or you can do it without a weight. So we're gonna do it one more time, one more set. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. I know we're out of breath, but we can do it. Come on, guys. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, one more, and 12. So not just because your gym is closed or you rather not go to the gym, because of everything that's going around means that you can just stay at home and not work out. This is why I brought you guys this at-home workout that you guys can do from the comfort of your own home. Now we're gonna work out our quad. So we are gonna do a wall sit. So we're gonna do it for 15 seconds. I'm just gonna go ahead and count. So you wanna go ahead, be like this, and we're gonna start counting. Are you guys ready? So go find your wall, find something that you can lean against on, and we're gonna go ahead and start. So we're gonna do 2 sets of 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, halfway there, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're gonna take a 5-second break. 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna go ahead and do one more, guys. We can do it. We're halfway there. We finished one whole set. We're gonna do one more. So here we go. 1, no cheating, guys. 2, 3, 4. I know you guys wanna give up, but we can't give up. 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more seconds. 1, 2, 3. My legs are shaking. 4, know how your legs were feeling. So now we're gonna do lunges. This is gonna be 1, come up, 2, 3, 4, 5, come on guys, we can do it. 6, 7, no excuses. 8, 9, 10, you're not the only one that's out of breath. 11, and 12. Now we're gonna do the other leg. If you wanna quit, we can. Okay? Again, you don't have to do this with weights if you don't have any, but you can add those weights if you do have them. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I adjust my leg when I need to. 7, 8, come on. 9, 10, 11, 12. My posture might not be perfect, but I am trying, and it helps when I look straight across instead of down. So, if you made it this far, let me know if you're out of breath, how you're feeling. Pause this, go take a drink. We made it to the last workout, so for this one you get to lay down. We're gonna do leg circles, guys. If you did everything else, you can totally do this one, and then we're done, but then you get to do it one more time. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're just doing circles. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. My glutes are off the floor. They're not touching the floor. So we're gonna do it with this leg now. Put your leg up, you're gonna do a circle. Doesn't have to be a perfect circle, but it has to be a circle. Remember, your glutes are gonna be up in the air. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, no cheating. 4, 5, 6, 7, no triangles either. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Should we do one more? Probably not. But now it's time to re-watch this video and do it again. Guys, I'm so out of breath. I don't know how people do it. It's not the same as just working out and talking to people. Talking to the camera and talking to people that are working out with you. I'm so out of breath. I can't even talk right now. But anyways, let me know in the comments down below what you thought. If you like this at-home workout, if I should do more. Let me know in the comments down below if you will be trying this at-home workout. I'm so out of breath. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I do upload videos every Sunday. So I will see you guys here next week. Don't be afraid to rewatch this video and do this whole set again. I will see you guys next week. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.